Do you know you can actually buy and sell YouTube channel and TikTok account online? In this video, I will show you step by step on how people are making money online using FameSwap, one of the biggest marketplace for social media accounts. This website lets you buy, monetize YouTube channel and buy a TikTok account legally. Yes, these are some of the methods people are making money online these days. Now, without wasting time, let me take you straight to the practical skill on how to go about this. Just go to your browser. For instance, let's just use Chrome for this practical and search for FameSwap. Tap on search. This is the website for FameSwap. Just tap on it. FameSwap, buy TikTok accounts and YouTube channel. Leading marketplace for buying and selling established TikTok accounts, YouTube channel, and theme pages. As soon as you access the FameSwap website, what you will see is this one and the feature pages and channel. These are some of the channel people are selling. They are available on market. Now let's dive in proper on how you can actually make payments for this channel if you want to buy any, or if you want to sell your own accounts. Yes, you can also be creating social media accounts, go them and also sell them and make money. Now tap on menu and select register. You need to register first. You need an account on this website before making anything. Let's create an account. User's name, MJ, email. Let's use this email as password. Confirm the password again. Phone number, address. Let me just use a random address. Select your country and tap on I am not a robot. Let's select and verify. After crossing this stage, just hit the register. Registration successfully. Now, for my account to be activated, I need to go to my email. There is a message sent by this FameSwap. I will just go there and confirm my registration. As you can see, this is the message sent. Let me just tap on the email, direct to the message, and tap on the link that was sent just to confirm that I'm the real owner of this account. Account has been activated. Please log in. Let me use the email, user layer on creating this account, and the password. Select login. Now, this is my account. Now, if I want to buy any YouTube channel or TikTok account, this first channel is going for 151,000 subscribers and is going for 3,500 USD. The channel is monetized. US audience is making close to 12k revenue in a month. Yes, if you tap on it, you will see where they analyze about the channel. Just tap on it and see more about the channel. This is not the only channel that is available here for sale. You can also access some of them below. As you can see, this is the description of the channel. The price, the category is art and creativity, the niche of the channel. Let's just tap on this first one again and show you how to make your payment. This account is going for $3,500. I can also make an offer, send an offer. Let me just send an offer. For instance, I will pay $2,500 for this account. Send an offer. It's just a way of negotiating the price successful. Now, let's just leave that one. Now, if you want to make direct payment for the account, just tap on buy and tap on buy with crypto. Yes, you needed a crypto account for you to buy accounts from them, but it's very easy to have. Now tap on continue with new app, tap on balance and select deposits. These are the payment system that are available. They are crypto wallets, so you needed to select one of these and create an account, make deposits on this crypto wallet and withdraw the money derived from that crypto wallet to this website and make payment for the channel, whatever channel or TikTok account you want to buy. The most important part of this website is the sell area, because that is the part where you will make money. You creating different random accounts, go them and sell them and make money is the main important part of this video. Now let's go straight to that point. Let's go back to our home page and show you where you can actually sell your account. Now tap on menu and select the sell option. Tap on sell, add new list. This is where you are allowed to sell your own account and make money. This is legal and legit. Tap on add list, continue to new app again. The next step is for you to tap on add new. Tap on add new and select whatever social media platform you want to market. This is YouTube, this is TikTok, and this is X, former Twitter. Now, if you tap on YouTube, they will ask you to copy your YouTube URL or user's name and paste it here. They will find the accounts you want to sell. They will be the one that go out there and select your channel through the link you provided. You will not just go and sell a random account. They will ask you for verification that you are the owner of the account you want to market. Look at it. This is the number 2 step, verify ownership. You have to verify the ownership. Now, for instance, let's just use my YouTube channel for experiment. Let me just go to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel link. Let me paste it here. Find my account. As you can see, accounts found are eligible for listing. MJ 009 subscribers. Continue for verification. Now, if I tap on continue for verification, they needed to verify that I'm the real owner of the account I want to market here. Step 1, verify ownership. Add this code to your channel description to prove you own this account. Now, this is the code. Just copy this code After copy the verification code above, go to your YouTube account, add this code anywhere in your channel description, click verify below, and you can remove the code after verification. As soon as I tap on verify account, it will access my channel and see if this code is there. That means I am the key owner of the account. Yes, I own the account. So after they made a verification, they will take you to the listing details where you can provide screenshots. They will ask you to list your price and other needed information. If the channel is monetized or if the TikTok account is monetized, how much is the revenue per month, the views per month, all those important information will be listed and with proof, not just listed, with proof. That's why you provided a link earlier. They can do their research and provide most of this information for you. The reason why I don't want to call this stage is because I don't want to sell this channel. This channel is not, I don't want to market my channel. Just follow the steps on this tutorial and listen to the remaining explanation I made earlier. You will get a good result. Now, if you find this video useful, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.